St. Patrick's Day, a day for celebration, a day for Guinness, a day for food, yes, indeed. While green beer flows freely, the true heart of this Irish holiday beats in its traditional cuisine. Forget the shamrock-shaped cookies and green-dyed everything. Let's uncover the real culinary treasures of St. Patrick's Day. Traditional Irish food is about more than just sustenance. It's about heritage. It's about family. It's about stories whispered over steaming bowls of stew and shared laughter over slices of freshly baked bread. Each dish carries the weight of history, a testament to resilience and resourcefulness. Join us as we unlock the secrets of these time-honored recipes. No Irish table on St. Patrick's Day is complete without a hearty loaf of soda bread. This iconic bread, with its rustic appearance and rich history, has been a beloved staple in Irish households for generations. Its presence on the table is more than just a culinary delight, it's a symbol of Irish heritage and tradition, a reminder of the resourcefulness and simplicity that characterize the Irish spirit. Made with simple ingredients, flour, buttermilk, baking soda, this bread was a staple in Irish homes for centuries. The beauty of soda bread lies in its simplicity. In times when yeast was scarce or too expensive, Irish families turned to baking soda as a leavening agent. This innovation allowed them to create a bread that was not only quick to make, but also delicious and nourishing. The combination of flour and buttermilk, with the addition of baking soda, results in a bread that is both hearty and wholesome. Its dense, crumbly texture and subtle tanginess pair perfectly with a pat of butter or a dollop of jam. The texture of soda bread is unique, it's dense yet tender, with a crumbly crust that gives way to a soft, slightly tangy interior. This tanginess comes from the reaction between the buttermilk and the baking soda, creating a flavor that is both distinctive and comforting. Whether enjoyed fresh out of the oven with a generous spread of butter or topped with sweet jam, soda bread is a versatile treat that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Soda bread embodies the spirit of Irish resourcefulness. Without requiring yeast, it could be baked quickly in a bastable pot over an open fire. The bastable pot, a traditional cast iron pot used for baking, was an essential tool in Irish kitchens. Its ability to retain heat made it perfect for baking soda bread over an open fire, a common practice in rural Ireland. This method of baking not only highlights the ingenuity of the Irish people but also adds a unique flavor and texture to the bread. The result is a loaf that is both rustic and deeply satisfying, a true testament to the resourcefulness and creativity of Irish cooks. Each bite tells a story of simplicity and tradition. Soda bread is more than just a food, it's a connection to the past, a link to the generations of Irish families who have made and enjoyed this humble bread. Its simplicity is its strength, a reminder that the best things in life are often the simplest. In every bite, you can taste the history and tradition that have been passed down through the years, a testament to the enduring spirit of the Irish people. Whether you're celebrating St. Patrick's Day or simply enjoying a slice with your morning tea, soda bread is a delicious way to honor the rich culinary heritage of Ireland. Imagine a chilly evening in the Irish countryside. The sun is setting, casting a golden hue over the rolling green hills. The air is crisp, and the wind carries a hint of the sea, rustling through the ancient trees and stone walls that have stood for centuries. The wind howls outside, but inside, a pot of Irish stew simmers on the stove, filling the air with an irresistible aroma. The kitchen is warm and inviting, a sanctuary from the cold. The scent of the stew is a comforting blend of herbs and spices, promising a meal that will chase away the chill. Tender chunks of lamb, melt-in-your-mouth potatoes, sweet carrots, and sharp onions all meld together in a rich, savory broth. The lamb, sourced from local farms, is cooked to perfection, its juices mingling with the vegetables to create a symphony of flavors. The potatoes, a staple in Irish cuisine, are soft and creamy, absorbing the essence of the stew. This hearty stew is a celebration of simple, fresh ingredients. Each component is carefully selected to ensure the highest quality. The carrots add a touch of sweetness, balancing the robust flavors of the lamb and onions. Fresh thyme and rosemary picked from the garden infuse the broth with their fragrant oils, elevating the dish to new heights. It's a dish that warms the soul and nourishes the body. The first spoonful is a revelation, the flavors unfolding on your palate like a well-told story. The broth is rich and velvety, coating your mouth with its savory goodness. Each bite is a reminder of the care and love that went into its preparation. Every spoonful is a reminder of the importance of family and togetherness. As you gather around the table with loved ones, the stew becomes more than just a meal. It is a shared experience, a moment of connection in a busy world. The laughter and conversation flow as freely as the stew, creating memories that will last a lifetime. The tradition of making and sharing Irish stew is passed down through generations, a testament to the enduring power of food to bring people together. The undisputed king corned beef and its legacy. No discussion of St. Patrick's Day food would be complete without mentioning corned beef. While not traditionally Irish, this cured meat has become synonymous with the holiday in America. Its salty, savory flavor is best enjoyed alongside boiled cabbage and creamy mashed potatoes. The story of corned beef and St. Patrick's Day is a tale of adaptation and cultural fusion. Irish immigrants in America embraced this affordable and flavorful meat, making it their own. A taste of the sea, bringing in the Colecannon. This dish, with its roots deeply embedded in Irish culture, is more than just a meal, it's a story on a plate. The name Colecannon itself is derived from the Gaelic term Colecannon, which means white-headed cabbage. This traditional Irish dish has been a staple in Irish homes for centuries, especially during the colder months when hearty warming meals are most needed. The Emerald Isle, with its rugged coastline, offers a bounty of fresh seafood. The Irish have always had a close relationship with the sea, relying on it for sustenance and inspiration. The coastal waters provide an abundance of fish, shellfish and seaweed, which have been integral to the Irish diet for generations. This connection to the sea is reflected in many traditional Irish dishes, including Colecannon. Colecannon, a traditional dish of creamy mashed potatoes blended with kale or cabbage and a generous knob of butter, embodies this connection to the sea. The potatoes, a staple crop in Ireland, are mashed to a smooth, creamy consistency, while the kale or cabbage adds a vibrant green color and a slight crunch. The butter, often sourced from local dairy farms, adds a rich, velvety texture that ties the dish together. This combination of simple, wholesome ingredients creates a dish that is both nourishing and satisfying. Some recipes even call for a sprinkle of crispy bacon for added depth of flavor. The bacon, with its smoky, salty taste, complements the creamy potatoes and earthy greens perfectly. This addition of bacon is a modern twist on the traditional recipe, adding an extra layer of complexity to the dish. It's a testament to the versatility of Colecannon, which can be adapted to suit different tastes and preferences. This humble dish is both comforting and flavorful. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures in life of gathering around the table with loved ones to share a meal. Colecannon is often served as a side dish, but it can also be enjoyed on its own, especially when paired with a slice of crusty bread or a dollop of creamy Irish butter. Its comforting nature makes it a popular choice for family dinners and festive occasions alike. It's a celebration of the land and sea, a reminder of the simple pleasures in life. Colecannon is often associated with St. Patrick's Day, a time when people come together to celebrate Irish culture and heritage. On this day, Colecannon is often served alongside other traditional Irish dishes, such as corned beef and cabbage, soda bread, and Irish stew. The dish's vibrant green color makes it a fitting addition to the St. Patrick's Day table, symbolizing the lush green landscape of Ireland. But Colecannon is not just for special occasions. It's a dish that can be enjoyed year-round, bringing a taste of Ireland to any meal. Whether you're celebrating a holiday or simply looking for a comforting, hearty dish to enjoy with your family, Colecannon is a perfect choice. Its rich history and delicious flavor make it a beloved part of Irish cuisine, a dish that continues to bring people together, just as it has for generations. Sweet endings, indulging in traditional desserts. No feast is complete without something sweet. Traditional Irish desserts like apple tart or barmbrack offer a delightful end to any St. Patrick's Day celebration. These treats, often flavored with warming spices and dried fruits, are best enjoyed with a cup of strong Irish tea. These desserts are more than just sugary treats. They represent the warmth and hospitality of Irish culture. Beyond the plate, food is more than just sustenance. It's a powerful storyteller, weaving together threads of history, culture, and tradition. Irish food, with its humble ingredients and time-honored recipes, speaks volumes about the resilience, resourcefulness, and warmth of the Irish people. Each dish is a piece of a larger story, a testament to the enduring spirit of Ireland. Generations gathered, in Ireland, food is at the heart of every gathering. Families and friends come together to share meals, stories, and laughter. The act of breaking bread creates a sense of community and belonging. These shared meals are about more than just the food itself. They're about connection, tradition, and the passing down of heritage. A culinary journey through time, eating traditional Irish food is like taking a trip through history. Each bite tells a story of resilience, adaptation, and the enduring power of culture. From the humble soda bread to the hearty Irish stew, these dishes offer a glimpse into the rich history of Ireland. These culinary traditions serve as a bridge between generations, connecting the past to the present. Keeping traditions alive as we celebrate St. Patrick's Day, let's not forget the importance of preserving these culinary traditions. By continuing to cook and share these dishes, we keep the spirit of Ireland alive. So, raise a glass to the food of Ireland. May its flavors continue to inspire and delight for generations to come.